Guys, this is another quick video, this time teaching you how to delete all Discord messages on mobile in 1 minute. So if you have like Discord chat which is overcumbered with messages which you just don't want anymore, you can always like hold one message and click on delete and say yes, and that's going to be a lot of time wasting. There is a simpler way. You can go to the Google Play Store, you can type in this deleter, and this is a great app. It's a third-party app, but it's a great app. And once you install that app, which is completely free as you can see, you can select the server and just say delete recent message first or delete all messages first, and everything will be deleted on your Discord channel. I hope this video helped you. Be sure to try this app and be sure to throw us a subscribe. See you guys in the next video.